Welcome to Afro Swing FX. I will be sharing today the Forex trading course outline. I'll just be giving you a brief overview of what is expected or what learners will gain from this course. So I've been having a lot of interactions with prospective traders, and I've noticed that there is a little material out there that is likely to guide you or to help you become a profitable Forex trader. So before I go into the course outline, I'll share a brief overview. I have been trading currency successfully from 2021 October and successfully from 2014 to 2020. So I can say I have about 7 years of both successful and unsuccessful experience, and that is what I bring to the table as I take you through our course. So we have several chapters. We'll have chapter 1, which is the uncommon introduction to Forex trading. I'll talk about how I view Forex trading. I will not tell you the generic description or definition. I'll tell you my definition of Forex trading, and that of course will set up the framework of how we shall be approaching this course. Second chapter is introduction to charts, and I'll go through the course content or course outline briefly. Third chapter will be introduction to supply and demand, then introduction to equilibrium, then introduction to liquidity, then we'll go into a lot of practice sessions, then risk management and course closure. The ideal time frame is this course will take you 16 weeks, 15 to 16 weeks. So there are students who are sharp, they will get it within 9 to 12 weeks. But for the people who take a lot of time, remember, I am in no hurry. I will take you slowly. We can take up to 16 weeks. So for the uncommon introduction, we'll talk about definition, what you require to succeed, definition of key terms that we are going to use moving forward. And these key terms, we will be repeating them throughout. Then we'll go to introduction to Forex uncommon introduction. We'll talk about the misconceptions, whether this thing is a scam, whether this thing is even profitable, why many even fail. We'll discuss all these things. Then, of course, we'll go straight into a trading view to set up your trading view into your to suit your own personality and your trading orientation. Thereafter, we'll go now into understanding what are candles. We'll understand what is a trend. We'll understand what is a break of structure. We'll understand correction of the market. We'll have practice sessions. Then briefly, we'll talk about supply and demand. So the next session is when we'll now get into introduction of or identification of supply and demand now in depth, how to identify and how to define supply and demand. Thereafter, we'll go into the definition of equilibrium and understanding how equilibrium is important in Forex trading. Thereafter, we'll talk about liquidity, the concepts of liquidity and how they are how important they are. Then we'll talk about practice sessions. We'll have a multi-time frame analysis. This is a structural analysis from monthly down to the 4-hour time frame. I'm sorry, the screen is a bit messy. I'll correct it. Then we'll have a multi-currency analysis where we duplicate the multi-time frame analysis now into multi-currency analysis, where we analyze a lot of currencies. Remember, practice makes improvement, so we'll be analyzing multiple timeframes and multiple analysis to improve your accuracy and grasp of concepts. Then we'll have, this is towards the very end, we'll have the mechanical trading plan. We'll have the trade entry, we'll have the trade exit and position sizing. And position sizing is strongly related to the lot size we defined in the earlier stages. So this is basically the entire course. We'll have the course review, then you'll be free now to start your trading on a demo account. Remember, after the course, I don't recommend you go straight into live trading. I recommend you do a demo trading first for a while. You know, it's one thing to learn the concept. It's one thing to apply the concept. Then it's another thing to successfully apply the concept. So that transition from learning to application to successful application, I insist you do it through demo trading. Thereafter, I think we'll have now course closure and you review our course and give us your rating. So for in-person training, this is where I'll be with you for the entire 16 weeks, one-on-one. In-person training is $300. Then for online self-paced training, we are developing the online self-paced module on our website, AfroSwingFX. When it comes on board, it will be $165. But for online self-paced training, there's a provision for one-on-one consultation. If there's a concept you don't understand, we can jump on a Zoom meeting and we can of course clarify one or two things. Remember, for in-person training of $300 for people residing close to where I am, you do not have to pay this amount upfront. You can pay it in easy installments. I understand the present economic times are not that favorable, so we also willing to make some negotiations. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's the brief overview of this course. I will be uploading it on YouTube. I do invite you to consume this course. I invite you to study with us and let us share our experience with you. Thank you very much. Also, do like and subscribe to our channel. I forgot to mention, kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It informs the algorithm that we have important content, and of course, YouTube now prioritize our content. Thank you very much, and have a lovely and successful week.